Hey guys, Saki Grimes here. Now, I'm glad you guys are following this amazing tutorial on JavaScript. Now, again, JavaScript is such a powerful language that you guys could use it to do the front end, the back end of a website. And you're going to need to know these things that I'm teaching right now so that you could start to build these things. For instance, in the future lectures, we're going to be going into the DOM, the document object model, which is a powerful way to integrate the web pages. You can do a lot of stuff with the DOM, and it integrates HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So you're going to need to know this language. Forget Java, forget PHP right now. You need to look at these lectures, watch from start to finish, and start to see the results in learning JavaScript. We're going to be taking these lectures to the next level. Different people are going to be able to see these lectures. So in this lecture, we're going to furthermore discuss the phenomenon in JavaScript called parameters, and we're going to go further in depth on parameters. I call it double trouble parameters because it's going to use two parameters as opposed to one. So in this lecture, I'm going to be discussing two parameters for functions. I'll give you an example. Let's say you have a function go. Okay, and now we have the parameters of the go. We're gonna have something like maybe 1, or we're gonna have probably something like, let's put 1 or 2. We're gonna do it like Bucky Roberts there. I have his notes. I'm just gonna give you an example of what works. So we're gonna have the document here. We're gonna open up our brackets. Okay, very simple, guys. Once you open up the back brackets, we have the function go, and within the function go, there are two parameters, 1 and 2. Let's put something quickly. Let's put document dot write we're gonna put 1 is funnier than 2. And then what we could do is we could add another plus, right? And we're gonna put our break sign. This is so important, guys, right? Once we do this, we end off. So 1 is better than 2. So function go, 1, 2, document write, 1 is funnier. Don't forget, guys, to put the exclamation marks so that it's cleaner. Okay, so you're gonna have 1 is funnier than 2. Okay, so when it writes, it's gonna write 1 is funnier than 2. So we're gonna have to put these two, we're gonna have to assign values to these variables. How are we gonna do this? Well, outside the function now, because at the end of the day we are running a function, we're gonna have to put function go, and we're gonna have to make up some parameters again. So now this is the second stage, guys, of making up parameters. We're gonna have to make up something in the middle, right? We're gonna have to give it something that we want to put in, right? They're just parameters, guys. Again, these are just placeholders for something that we want to do. So we could say James, and we could have something like John. Okay, so once this closes, after the function is run, we could say, okay, file saved, and let's see if it works. I don't know. James is funnier than John. Okay, so this is interesting, guys. We just saw something occurring really cool here. So what if we decided to maybe put something like go Justin and then we have a comma, Bieber. You know how Justin Bieber is going through some stuff right now. I mean, he's a good guy, but oh, come on. These celebrities, they give us so much things to think about. So Justin Bieber, what happens if we save this, guys? Right? James John, right? Justin Bieber. I wonder if because we have the break, it will run. So we're gonna see things. Take a look at this thing. Right? Wow. Okay. So we put a break on it, and it says Justin is funnier than Bieber. Okay. So this is how you start using parameters and start passing information. Okay. Now this is so important. So I'm gonna recap. Right? We have our function go. Within the function, we have two parameters. I call this double trouble parameters. 1, 2. Down here, within the script, we're going to write document.write. 1 is funnier than 2. Right? 1 plus is funnier because the funnier than is within a string. We have to put it within a string than 2 because 2 is a variable. We're going to have to leave it out. Plus, we're going to have to put the brackets, and brackets is a string. The BR tag is a string. Okay, we could still even put the ending for the BR tag, and so it's still gonna run the same. Take a look at this here, guys. Right, same thing. ES6 doesn't make a difference. Okay, so what if we put something like alert? All right, would that make a difference? I don't know. Let's see how it works. James is funnier than John. Justin is funnier than Bieber. Okay, what if we took out the brackets tag, right? File saved, run. James is funnier than John. Justin is funnier than Bieber. Okay, so we just saw these. Okay, so these are two parameters. We got a chance to name them within when we ran the function. So we ran two functions here. Right, we ran go, and within the function we made up our parameters James and John. Okay, then we came under this. Okay, so James is funnier than John, and then we put a bracket. Okay, so this is just for the alert. We remove the break tags. Okay, so Justin is funnier than Bieber. So anyway, guys, thanks a lot for learning this JavaScript tutorial. Again, I want you to go through all the chapters, share with your friends, and start to teach them code. This channel is going to be all JavaScript only. So thanks a lot, guys, and like, comment.